Hello all, welcome back to IAS and Ups classes. Do you know where is the driest place on earth is located? It's in South America. So this is Atlantic Ocean. You go to the west of Atlantic Ocean, you will be able to see a desert terrain in the country Chile, right? So this is a tropical region and we can witness descending air from the atmosphere. So because of descending air without moisture, that is dry air, and presence of cold ocean current, Peruvian cold ocean current, Peru current, right? Because of cold ocean current and descending air, you'll be able to see desert because of less precipitation or low rainfall. So in the world, this place is the most driest place, right? This is in Chile and you'll be able to see Atacama Desert here. So the most driest cities are, the first one is Iquique, right? This is a city in, this is a coastal city in Chile, Iquique. And another city is on the northern side of Chile named Arica, right? All right. I hope you understood. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.